Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your password on the booking.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, tap on this account button at the top of the screen on the right side and click on manage accounts. After that, you should tap on this personal details section, tap on security on the left side, and here you can find this password section. So tap on the button reset and tap on send email. So as you can see, a password reset email has been sent to your email address that has been linked to your booking account. So you go there, tap on the link, and then you will be able to reset your password. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.